So much progress to share with you guys, but first I just kind of want to touch back on that video I did about the car that caught on fire. The feedback I got from that video was pretty much we can't hit the like button, and it got a fair few of these down with thumb ones, and I think it's fair to say that nobody was overly impressed with it. So my goal with this video is that you can feel like you can hit that like button at the end of it, because my intention was always good with that video, albeit I probably just missed the mark a little bit on it. So I got the floor piece out of it that I've been searching for quite a while.
Okay, floor time. So we've got this replacement floor here, which we were lucky enough to get out of another car. We've had that sandblasted, and it was just a matter of working out how much of it we were going to use. As far as do we just put on a piece of left and a piece of right? We were thinking originally there's a factory join all the way across there. I would have really liked to put in like a decent chunk of floor and join it up through here. That floor didn't really lend itself to doing that because it was not in the best shape either. Fortunately, that was kind of rusty in a place where this wasn't. So I'm just going to pull for the bits that I can use out of that and use them to fix this, which is it's just a left hand side and a right hand side, different sizes. I've marked them out, ready to cut. This piece is a little bit smaller than that side, and if you have a look at this floor, we'll do some close-ups of it. The reason we've made such a big deal out of this floor is because of this detail here. So we can reproduce that. You've probably already worked out that there's not really anything we can't make, but it all comes down to time and money. So this wage drops down, it's got another one running through it, it's got another one hard up against it. The Statesman's failed right there, so don't really want to have to hand make that, so pretty happy about getting this piece of floor. So we can just go ahead really and cut out what we need, weld it into the car. That side needs a little bit of a patch put on it first, but I'd much rather just patch a replacement part and use the whole part rather than try and rebuild the floors in the Statesman. So we're good to go. I'm going to start cutting it up and we'll get these new pieces into this car. Last structural repair on the body.
Alright, so I just want to get this quick video up to show you guys, yeah, we're still progressing and progressing well. I got a whole lot more stuff to show you. I'm way behind in the video progress, so look forward to getting those videos up, and I'll see you in the next one.